Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be telling you how Rainy got pregnant, my precious little puppy. It's pretty simple. So we went to the sausage festival at my aunt and uncle's house. Their neighbor came over and they had a yellow lab too, and they liked each other. And his name was Arthur. He weighed about like 80 pounds. They're both registered, so we could sadly sell the puppies. And some cool facts about Rainy is she's about 1 year old. She has a lot of fur, but she only sheds a little bit. She's a really loving puppy. She's really scared at people at first, but after a couple of seconds, she goes like, she stands back, and then when she sees them for like 5 seconds or so, she gets fine and just goes there to lick them or to get petted by, them. We just got her like 20 toys for the puppies in her. She goes a little crazy. She, like I said, she sheds, but not that much. She's shy of people when she first sees them, but after a couple of seconds, she gets used to them and goes to get hugs, kisses, and, pets. Drop the mic, boo! Okay, and then my mom, when we were about to go to bed, my mom just came in and said, Rainy might have puppies. I'm like, hallelujah. She's having puppies in 2 to 3 days, so this will be very exciting.